How much is the gravitational force between Earth and Moon? The given data is like this. Mass of the Earth ME is equal to 5.9722 into 10 raised to 24 kilograms. Mass of the Moon MM 7.35 into 10 raised to 22 kilograms. Distance between Earth and Moon D is given 3,84,400 kilometers, which is now simplified or shortened in the order of 10 like this 3.844 into 10 raised to 5 and is to be converted into meters. To convert this, we are going to multiply this value by 1000. Now the universal gravitational constant G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram raised to 2. Using all these values in the Newton's universal law of gravitation, F is equal to G ME into MM divided by D square. Value of G 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram raised to 2 into mass of the earth 5.9722 into 10 raised to 24 kilograms, mass of the moon 7.35 into 10 raised to 22 kilograms divided by 3.844 into 10 raised to 8 meters raised to 2. Now once again we are going to arrange all these values in different manner like this. 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 5.9722 into 10 raised to 24 into 7.35 into 10 raised to 22 into all the units will be placed now Newton meter square per kilogram raised to 2 into kilogram, that means kilogram raised to 2. Now 3.844 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 16 meter square. Now meter square in the numerator, meter square in the denominator, kilogram raised to 2 in denominator and kilogram raised to 2 in numerator are all cancelled. Now unit remaining will be the Newton only. Okay. Now again we are putting these values in different manner like this. 6.67 into 5.9722 into 7.35 into 10 raised to minus 11 plus 24 plus 22 into 10 raised to 16 minus 16 divided by 3.844 raised to 2. Its value comes like this 14.78. Now all these values when multiplied they will give the value 290.32 divided by 14.78 into 10 raised to minus 11 plus 24 plus 22 minus 16. In all these values added and subtracted, whatever the calculation will be there, its value will come like this 10 raised to 19 Newton. So this value will be finally 19.64 into 10 raised to 19 Newton. Again we are going to simplify it. 1.964 into 10 raised to 20 newtons. Gravitational force between the earth and moon. Thank you.